Is the DJI Mic Mini worth it? My answer is yes and no. Are you tired of mics that are bulky, unreliable, or just don't deliver? Today, I've got something that might change your content game. This DJI Mic Mini. Before we dive into the details, let me make something clear. I bought this mic with my own money, no sponsors here. Everything I say or I'm going to say is based on my honest experience. All you have to do is sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. In the year of 2025, if you're into vlogging, podcasting, content creation, and you're serious about leveling up the audio, stick around. I'll give you an honest breakdown, the good, the bad, and whether this mic deserves a spot in your gear. By the end of this video, I'll share a surprising issue I found with this mic that you'll definitely want to know before buying. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the design. The DJI Mic Mini is insanely compact. It's so small. It fits right on your fingertips. At just 10 grams, it's almost a third of the weight of the DJI Mic 2, which comes in at 28 grams. Now, that's what I call lightweight. I love how small and low profile this mic is. It's a big improvement because, let's face it, when you're in front of the camera, you don't want the mic stealing attention. This sleek and discreet design lets you focus on delivering your message without distractions. Let's talk about the range. Last week, I took this DJI Mic Mini to my hometown and gave its transmission distance a real test. When the train sped up to 300 kilometers per hour, the range dropped to about 10 meters. But that's expected. Test. We're going to check the distance of this DJI Mic Mini. Now it's like 10 meters away. I'm going to go on. In open areas, though, it worked flawlessly, easily covering at least 100 meters without any issues. 啊？抓着行李箱。哦，行，那我往那走哈，走到1那儿。Can you hear me? Test. How about now? Test. Test. OK. 现在在这个1的下面，到那个地方应该有100米左右。我们看一下测试效果。Test. Hurry up！ 上一次听得清吗？现在大概有个10米左右，15米。绿色条还在闪吗？中间有没有断线？那个绿色的条有没有断？中间？
有发橘色的。
哦，那就声音太大了。Okay, thank you. Whether you're moving around or filming at a distance, you won't have to worry about losing connection or audio quality. Another feature is its noise cancellation. The air conditioning is working. So, can you hear the noise? I'm going to turn on the noise cancellation on. 1, 2, 3. Now it's on. Can you hear the difference? Now I'm going to turn it off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, off. Can you hear the difference between on and off? Before and after. 1, 2, 3, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, now it's on. Can you hear the difference before and after? All right, I'm going to turn it off. 1, 2, 3. Now it's off. I turn it off. Can you hear the difference between on and off? Whether you're in a busy cafe or outdoor on a windy day, this mic keeps your voice clear and cuts down the background noise. This feature alone has saved me so much time in post-production. No more endless editing to clear up audio. So, who is this DJI Mic Mini really for? Personally, I bought this mic because I have DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and Action 5 Pro, and they connect automatically. No need for a receiver, just turn it on and boom, it connects seamlessly. So if you're a freelancer or a content creator who uses DJI cameras, this is a no-brainer. The seamless integration and lightweight design make it a must-have. And if you've seen my earlier video about Boya Mic Mini, you'd know I appreciate compact gear. But this mic's ability to connect effortlessly with my DJI devices is what really sets it apart. Let's break it down with the pros and cons. Lightweight and portable at just 10 grams, you can hardly feel it. Impressive transmit distance, which I've tested myself. Noise cancellation is highly effective, saving time in editing. Seamlessly integration with DJI cameras like the Pocket 3 and Action 5 Pro. Let's talk about the drawbacks. Limited compatibility with non-DJI devices. The Bluetooth connection with your iPhone or Android devices isn't as good as I hoped. Honestly, without the receiver, I just bought this transmitter. Without the receiver, I couldn't really tell any difference in sound quality, whether the Bluetooth was connected or not. We're going to shoot a video and let's check the audio quality, see if you can hear the difference. Horizontal. Okay, now you can hear me, right? So most of the time, when we speak very close to the microphone, test, la 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 la, and the sound will be very loud. But if I'm moving the microphone away, the sound will get weaker and weaker and weaker. So let's check. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See if you can hear the difference. Hala, hala, hello. Hele, hela, hala. Ha, 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 ha. Happy birthday to you. Merry Christmas to you. Happy New Year to you. Happy New Year to you. Okay, let's stop. Okay, see if you can tell the difference. The on and off button isn't very user-friendly. I get that they want to stick with the classic mic design, but it's not just practical. If they had used a switch instead, it would have been perfect. If you don't own a DJI camera, you might not get the full value of this mic, but for DJI users, it's a game changer. So, is the DJI Mic Mini worth it? My answer is yes and no. I mean, if you have Pocket 3 or Action 5 Pro, I'd say absolutely yes. Buy it now, immediately. The compact design and seamless connection, they're the perfect companion for these cameras. If you don't have a DJI camera or you're just shooting videos with your iPhone or Android phones, I'd recommend considering this Boya Mic Mini. It's pretty functional and get the job done. Again, no sponsors. I bought these microphones with my own money. No sponsors. I just think this price is more friendly, more reasonable. If money isn't an issue, I strongly recommend going for the combo because the difference between with a receiver and without a receiver is huge. That said, this mic is a fantastic option for anyone who needs high quality audio in a portable package. Let me know in the comments, would you consider this mic for your setup or do you have any questions I didn't cover? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. I'd love to have you, yes, I'd love to have you in our community. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest, boring gear reviews. Boring? Oh. Just smash that like button and hit that subscribe. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more honest, boring. Why boring?